Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Yun step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Yun. To move. To use. Luck. For example, 幸运 fortunate, lucky. I was lucky enough to catch the last bus. 我真幸运，赶上了最后一班公共汽车。I was lucky enough to catch the last bus. 我真幸运。赶上了。最后一班。公共汽车 bus。我真幸运 I was luck. 赶上了。最后一班。公共汽车。My daily handwriting on the character Yun. Yun. To move, to use, luck. 幸运 fortunate, lucky. I was lucky enough to catch the last bus. 我真幸运，赶上了最后一班公共汽车。Yun. Please comment any words or sentence with the Chinese character Yun. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.